Yes, the weather. Good evening. Now here's the weather forecast supplied to you by the Fahrenheit Met Office in Fahrenheit. Courtney Walsh today took 6 wickets to dismiss. Oh my God. For a moment I thought I was Lindy. What was I saying? I'm supposed to be reading weather. How hurricane get into Courtney Walsh's name? Okay, yes. Now here's the weather forecast. Uh, it's expected to be very funny during the morning. However, during the afternoon, we're expected to have wildly scattered flowers over the hilly areas, which could grow if we have thundering flowers over the hill interior along with rain. This could develop into what we don't even know its name during the morning, neither during the afternoon. And fishermen and small crafts are being warned that if they're on the high seas and they're nearly sure that a hurricane will develop, then they should sink their vessels and run. There is also a low pressure system building up under the eastern Caribbean, and by the time this low pressure system reaches the high, then I'll be away on a vacation and doesn't give a damn what happens. The seas, I can't tell you how much it measures because it's widely scattered all over southwestern Europe, and the Caribbean basin pan could be washed away if thrown into the sea. Meanwhile, people going to the beach are advised to take along their umbrellas so they don't get wet while they're in the water. Finally, raindrops are expected to weigh 40 to 15 pounds degrees Celsius, and sunrise you will see when it rises, and sunset you will see when it sets. That's it for the weather for tonight, and thank you very much. You can tune in tomorrow and everything will be alright. Hopefully there'll be no rain.